Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the Pepe update today. And I've seen Pepe, it has a decent volume within 24 hours. It does look like you have like 230 million trading volume within the past 24 hours still going on, which is actually pretty big. And right now Pepe is coming down again, but it seems like Pepe has not been very interested to go any further lower down to maybe 9330. It has actually just come down and pretty much stuck right over here at this price at the moment. So far, ever since the launch here, we've actually seen a 32% retracement and even a 44% retracement to the downside. So today's Sunday. What is the weekly time frame showing? So if you look at the weekly time frame, it does look like you're still doing a pretty damn good job of actually holding the 10 EMA, and you also are making this one hammer reversal candle. So if you just even close down to 11,017 today, that will still be okay. So I'm just going to leave you with this. 13 hours are going to be important, so keep your eyes on the next 13 hours. In the next 13 hours, if you make this candle into a hammer, maybe next week perhaps we might start to see another push to the upside. We've actually seen 4 weeks, which is almost 1 month of a corrective movement, and it has been boring ever since then. But hopefully, let's see if next week we start to get things back on track. And also July is about to start off within some few days, maybe 6 days. And also July entry for the private is opened up, so do make sure you're joining. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you the next one in the office.